This wig is not going nowhere. Like it's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. No one would ever know that this is a wig because it's not. It's not. It's your hair. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys read by the title, I will be showing you guys how I install a wig sent by Curls. I am super excited. This wig is super beautiful on melanin skin. It's beautiful on all skin types, but on our brown melanin skin, this wig is made just for us. I'm excited to give this wig a try. They sent me over their black wig. I love that wig so much. Like, oh my goodness, it has been my everyday wear. I'm not gonna lie, in real life I've been eating that black wig up, but I'm super excited to eat this brown wig. So if you guys are new here, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and I think you forgot to subscribe, so definitely subscribe. The installation process is super quick and easy and convenient for my busy girlies that's always on the go. You don't got time to do your hair, this video is for you. So this is how the box looks when you first get the hair. I'm going to unbox it for you guys. So it comes in this box. Within the box, they give you a wig cap. Wow, oh my gosh, these are instructions in order to maintain the wigs, and these steps are really the steps that you should already be doing for your natural hair. These are some really great steps. You guys, this is how the hair looks after you take it out the bag. It comes in a hairnet, so of course obviously take off the hairnet, and oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's a bang wig. This process is going to take you under 5 minutes, okay? I'm not going to open this wig cap just because I already have a wig cap open, so I'm definitely going to store this in my hair container. Boom, right? All you do is put on a wig cap like this, and of course if you want it to be more flatter like your braids, of course make it flatter, but I feel like this is good enough for me. Good enough for me. If you are new here, I am a natural hair creator, and I've been on a natural hair growth journey over these last 2 years. I really haven't been wearing my natural hair out because I utilize half wigs and actual glueless wigs like this, and I'm super excited because this fits within my natural hair growth routine, because all you literally do is throw it on. You don't gotta add no glue. This is glueless. All you do is just throw it on. You don't have to apply no glue for it to stick or anything or to stay. It already comes with clips built in the wig, so all you have to do is just clip these parts to your real natural hair. I love it so much, and I'm super excited to throw it on. Look, all I'm about to do is just throw it on. Nothing too major. I don't have to think about, oh, where's my glue? Oh, it's gonna take me an hour to get ready. Like, no. This is going to take you under 5 minutes, and it's going to turn you into a whole nother person. You are already a queen with your natural hair, but like when you throw this on, like you're going to be a baddie. So right now I'm just trying to figure out where's the bang. This is the bang. So I'm going to just boom, boom, boom. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Of course you have to play around with it. So I'm just going to use my hands. And if you want to define the curls even more, of course, apply your gel and spray some water. But I feel like the curls are already defined, so I'm just going to play around with it and kind of just, you know, make it big to my liking. You know what I mean? If you have a pick, definitely use your pick. Oh my goodness, I really love the highlights on this wig. Right now it's looking a bit crazy. I look like a wet dog, but trust me, you have to trust the process. And it doesn't really have a smell at all. Like, you know how when you receive wigs from different companies and it has like a nasty stink smell? Like this wig, it doesn't have a smell at all. Right now, as you guys can see, all I'm doing is just picking it out to my liking. Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Y'all, in real life, like I've been rocking that all black wig, like I said, and I get so many compliments on that wig. Like people always compliment my hair, and I just always say thank you, because no one would ever know that this is a wig, because it's not. It's your real hair. All you gotta do is literally just throw it on. But yes, I really love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. And it also comes with extra clips, and boom, this is the look. Like, yeah, how do you guys like it? It matches perfectly with my outfit, for one, and for two, it matches beautifully with my brown skin complexion. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm gonna play around with it more to make it more bigger. And just like that, the look is elevated. you are all ready to go. This took you under 10 minutes. Right now it says that I'm currently 6 minutes in within this video, but that's all you have to do. Like, you don't have to do too much. If you guys are interested on this wig, definitely check the description box. Everything will be linked down below. And I'm in love. I am in love. I'm gonna wet it. I want to actually see how it looks when it's wet. Where's my spray bottle? Where's my spray bottle? I hate when I misplace things. I cannot find my spray bottle. Spray bottle, where are you? Spray bottle. Dang, y'all, where is my spray bottle? I literally have my spray bottle. I don't know where's that. Okay, BRB. Gonna find my spray bottle and we're gonna be back. Found my spray bottle, and as you guys can see, it already comes defined, but like I said, one moment. It already comes with the curls defined, but like I said, if you do want some extra definition, definitely utilize a spray bottle. Definitely get you some gel and you good to go. Like, for one, y'all, it feels super soft. It actually feels like my natural hair, and I really love how bouncy these curls are. This wig is not going nowhere. Like, it's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere.
Just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve.
Okay, so this is the final outcome after I sprayed the hair with just some water, just to, you know, define the curls and, you know, just kind of have a wet look going on. Of course, it's going to dry up and, you know, puff back up, but yeah, I love it. 10 out of 10. Recommend this wig, you guys. Like, all you do is, like I said, I'm gonna be repeating the same stuff over and over because y'all, this is so convenient. Oh my gosh, like, if you are in a rut, if you don't know what you want to do with your hair, if you're having a bad headache, all you have to do is throw this wig on and you're going to be good. You're gonna go about your day, you're going to be feeling confident. I really love this wig just because it also feels super soft. Like, the curls are super soft and it's super bouncy, and it definitely protects your hair underneath. It doesn't cause any scalp damage at all. Definitely just make sure you are taking care of your real natural hair underneath your protective styles, because if you are properly doing so, like, you're not going to have any damage to your real natural hair. You're not going to lose no edges or anything just because this is glueless. You don't have to put no type of glue. Like I said earlier, you don't have to, you know, blow dry your hair and make sure the glue is dry in order for the wig to, you know, be secure. All you have to do is just literally clip the clips onto your wig cap for security and you will be good to go. Okay, this wig isn't going nowhere. You can bounce around with it, you could dance, type, you could do whatever, and it's literally going to stay in place. It's not going to go anywhere at all. Like I said, everything will be linked down below, so definitely check the description box in order to purchase this wig. Use code sunshine to receive up to 60% off your order. And I just thank you so much for just watching this video. Thank you so much for just tuning in. Definitely you need to tune in into the description box and purchase this wig, because ain't no way you spending hours and hours and hours just stressing on what to do with your hair. You don't know how to style your hair. You don't have to think about anything with this hairstyle. All you do is throw it on. It's super protecting. Like I said, it's not going to cause any damage. Like, this is for my lazy naturals. This is for my busy naturals that's always on the go. As I said earlier, like, you don't got time to do your hair. Like, girl, all you do is just throw it on. Now, we'll also have the black wig linked down below as well. So if you don't like this color, you can go ahead and purchase the black wig. It's my personal favorite. Like I said, if you know me in real life, you've been seeing me rock that all black bang wig. I also want to style it into another hairstyle. Okay, this is super cute. You know what I mean? Just a super pulled back one ponytail with the bangs. Cute. What you guys think about this hairstyle? And it actually shows off my earrings. I think I'm gonna wear this look for the day because it's so cute. Like, what? Oh my goodness, too cute. This hairstyle is also cute. I did do the same hairstyle on the all black wig, but I feel like this is also a look just because, you know, of course it's a different color. And I'm going to add me a butter flip, you know, just to drench up and spice up the look. This is so cute and it's so lightweight, you guys. Like, it don't feel like a wig is on my hair. Like, it feels like my real natural hair. Like, it's super lightweight, as I said earlier. Like, the curls are bouncy. Thank you guys so much for tuning in into this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know. Y'all let me know your thoughts on this wig. Do you like this wig or no? Would you give this color a try or nah? I feel like you should, especially if you have brown skin. Like, this is a look. Like, this is the look. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you, God loves you, and we will see you in our next video. The installation process